you do go out into the field and make a sales call, that's a question you'll get is like, does my card work with your lock, or does my card work with your reader? And you can explain to them, hopefully it does, but if it doesn't, right, then options are, does our reader or lock then now have to adapt another technology to it, or can they fairly easily transition from what they're using today onto a Leaf system, and that way they don't have to ask that question again moving forward, that it's interoperable, which products it's interoperable with, you're not stuck in this ecosystem of one manufacturer with proprietary keys. And from the security standpoint, always know that it's going to be the latest and greatest security, and not some sort of deprecated security from some old hardware that's not being innovated. And if you were in the Leaf system and you wanted to leave one manufacturer because you were worried that they weren't keeping up, then you could very easily move to another one.